this session, we will see how to update the stocks. The challenge is in the system there is one stock count is there, okay. But really, what happened in the physical stock, it will be the different. So every month there is a challenges facing by the team because some it will happen naturally. So how to manage in Odoo to update these things on a regular basis? Okay. So if I open the inventory module, so in the inventory module, go to the inventory module. In inventory, in the operations, there is a physical inventory. This is the menu to adjust the stock. Okay, the same screen only you are able to create the opening stocks also. Okay, you are importing all the data, the opening stocks will be created. Okay, the same physical inventory screen. So there is a scenario. So after 1 month, the live is going on, but after that they need to update the stocks. How to update the stock? So go to physical inventory. There are two scenarios. In system, there is some quantities are there, but in live there is no stock. This is the scenario. First scenario I will do how it will be work. Okay. So I take these two products: customizable desk, white custom, and customized desk, black custom. Okay. You are able to see 65 and 70, but really the stock is not available in the physical stock. Okay. So I select these two, and there is an option. If I go to actions, set to 0, this is the option. Okay, so like that you are able to select the list of products and set to 0. Automatically you are able to see the difference will be updated. Okay, count is 0, this is the really happen, so it will be updated. Okay, so the next thing what you need to do, you select these two and apply. So system ask, this is the counting date. So what's the inventory reason? So why you are updating? Stock update to match with physical, like that. Just update the quantities. Now you are able to see it's updated as a 0. Okay. So this is the way we are able to update the stocks. There is another scenario. Here in this large cabinet it's showing 400, but really what happened, it's 200 only available. Okay, so what you need to do, you select this particular product and go to counter. You need to enter, after counting it's 200 only. Okay, so now what happened, automatically it is going to minus 200. Okay, so if I need to apply this, stock will be updated as 200. If you need to see the history, what are all the things are happening because of this stock change, go to history. You are able to see all the details here. First, what happened on the product is updated large cabinet. It's inventory adjustment to WH stock at 1:06 p.m. Okay. Now you are able to see WH stock to inventory adjustment is 100 at 6:35 p.m. Now it's 11:41 p.m. The WH stock to inventory adjustment 200. Like that you are able to manage. So if you need to set to 0, then automatically it's going to set to 0. And if you need to adjust the stocks like that, it will be like that.